And what's happening YouTube? It's your boy Tech TRX back in another video, and today we are looking at the string lights for your exterior home, and this one is solar powered. Here we go. First things first, make sure to hit that subscribe button below, hit that notification bell so you're notified when the videos to come, tips and tricks and unboxing just like this one, and also a bunch of lights just like this one. Check out my blog 130.ca if you want to get one of these. I'll link this down below. So go ahead and grab yourself one. This one is solar powered, and also it turns on and off during daylight and nighttime, and then you could change different modes as well. So you don't have to plug this in into a wall. This is powered using solar panels built in on the string lights itself. It charges the battery built in as well, so that at night it'll automatically turn on so that you can have light. So let's go ahead and install this and show you what it could do. Here we go. So as you can see here, we're just installing the lights however you like. It doesn't matter. Yeah, string it along on however you like it, and once you're all done, we're going to show you the final product, and then we're going to show you what it could do as well. So here, as you could see, this is the solar panel that comes with the string lights, and basically you would just place this on sunlight, and on the back here there's two buttons, which is the on and off button and also the mode button. So with on and off, obviously you can power it up or down. The mode will change the different lights that'll turn on. Maybe you want blue and green together, or maybe red and orange or something like that. And then it would also change the skip of the light. So if you want it dimming softer or faster, then you could do that as well. Now, if you are using this on your yard instead, it comes with a little stick like this, little mount on the back of it as well, where you can use this to peg it down to the ground. Basically, you would just attach this to the slider on the back here, and you'd be good to go. Now, one of the best things about these string lights is that during the night it turns on automatically, and during the day it turns off automatically. So when you are looking into lights, you don't have to flick switches, or you don't have to remember to turn it off during the day or anything like that. This will do that for you automatically. So that's pretty cool. This will save you on power because you don't need to power this up at all. This will also save you on burning down your house because you left the lights on. These are also LED, so they don't heat up that fast, or they don't heat up at all. So that's pretty cool. So there's no risk of you burning your house or short-circuiting something or anything like that. This is a pretty easy install. You don't have to find plugs close to your ceiling or maybe on your backyard or anything like that. You can install this anywhere you want and you'd be pretty good, ready to go, plug and play. So I love how they did this. And that's for today, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope I was able to help you on your choice on a solar powered string light so that you can power up your home and give it some character. If you want to get one of these, I'll link this down below. Make sure to hit that subscribe button as well. Hit that like button as well so we can beat that YouTube algorithm. I hope you guys have a good day and stay grateful. Peace.